How are you doing? I'm Martin from Gardens for Life in Birdland Homestead. So in this video I'm going to talk to you about our seed and plant swap. Isn't the garden just lovely this evening? So tomorrow we have our seed and plant swap, or formerly known as our Homesteaders of Ireland swap meet. So that also includes other items other than just things for the garden. So I'm just out here just picking up a few plants and a few bits and pieces for tomorrow. One of my favorite things about the swap meets actually is that we can give away a lot of our surplus that we just didn't have the capacity to deal with. For example, we have a lot of these old plants here that we've had left over, and they've just been sitting there in containers and getting weedy and dry, and basically they're just waiting for a place to be planted in the garden, and we don't really have the space for them. And so we're going to bring a whole bunch of these plants to the swap meet tomorrow. And if you missed this one, you can always come to the next one. We'll have another one in September as well, which is more of a harvest festival, so people can bring in whatever they have grown in the garden, especially hopefully pumpkins as well already at that stage. But I think the Oshiki Kuris should be ready by then anyway. Take a look at the figs in our polytunnel. Isn't that amazing? So we're picking up a couple of plants from here as well. So we got some perennial borage, some elders, and a few bits and pieces. I love having a massive surplus of pots because I can always share them out to people that need them and that can make use of them to grow more plants. So these are 2 litre pots. I'll be bringing some of these tomorrow. So we'll be bringing a whole bunch of plants and some seeds as well, and we'll have some root cuttings as well. Not so much woody cuttings like berry bushes this time of year because they're now growing. I'm going to get everything ready and get it all loaded up, and we will see you tomorrow. All right, here we are on the day. So check out all the goodies that we've got. Lots and lots of bits and pieces, and the front of the car is full too. So let's walk in and take a look for a minute. Oh, so this is the reception area. Hi. Thank you, Lara, for helping. Here's Bianca.
Hi.
Look. Your mother made these lovely mandalas for raffle prizes. Very detailed work. So yeah, we're just setting up here now. And we're going to bring in all the plants now and setting up for tea and coffee here in the front. We have our projector screen on too, a little walk around the garden. And we're going to open up the kitchen this time too for people to use. It's a great venue. And we have another screen in here too. How fancy is that? And another. All right, let's get it set up and let's wait for the people. All right. We have a nice little bouquet for the entrance here too. Some giant oriental poppies, lilac, and horseradish flowers, and some motherwort, and some Daubenton kale. Isn't it lovely? Thank you, Lalia, for helping. So we got raffle prizes here and plants and seeds. How are you?
Hello.
Welcome to the seed and plant swap. Your first time here. Take a look at all the prizes that people have donated. Some local businesses also. And we have some books, some vouchers, and some plants as well, and some homemade products, and a rake and a shovel. And some homemade rag dolls. Thanks to Bianca and Lalia. So we're just waiting for the second wave. Usually we get an early wave of people and a second wave of people also. And then we're going to have our raffle. People are having a chat now, and we've already found lots of new homes for all these plants that needed adopting. We're going to start the raffle. Don't worry, you can continue your conversations after the raffle. You don't mind. thanks to everybody for coming today, and we really appreciate you all being here, and for supporting the event, and for bringing in so many lovely plants and cuttings and seeds and ideas and inspiration. So the main purpose of the event is really just to share the surplus, whatever people don't need or have too much of, and to do a bit of networking as well, to hopefully find like-minded people that are into gardening and homesteading as well. And actually oftentimes people meet each other even though they may be from an hour from here. So that's always very good. So we have upcoming events as well. There's some leaflets here, and we've always got events going on like workshops and courses. So you can take a look. There's some leaflets there if you want to take a look at them, and there's some videos on the website as well. So we have a volunteer now pulling the tickets for the raffle. So let me just pick something to raffle off. So what shall we start with? We'll take a book. Country Living. I think it's about 800 pages. So. Now you can take up a ticket. 199. 199. So this is a giant oriental poppy.
Okay.
It's perennial and it'll grow year after year. Take a ticket. Have a ticket. 222. 222.
222.
222. We're going to do one of these bird houses that my father-in-law makes. Thank you very much, Ismail, if you're watching this afterwards. For the ticket. 230. 230.
You won! Yay!
Let's do a €50 voucher for our online shop. You can use it whenever you like, and you can get cuttings and plants and tubers or workshops. Now, check. 118.
I got it.
118. Folks, that's another seed and plant swap and swap mate done. So next time will be at the end of the growing season, or sometime around September will be the next one. So stay tuned and subscribe to our email list. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.